H2KInfosys provides world-class online IT training, staffing, and software testing solutions to customers worldwide. H2KInfosys supports 100% job-oriented training, hands-on project work, cloud test lab, resume preparation and review, mock interviews, robust syllabus. One-time pay, lifetime access to live classes and videos. H2KInfosys has won the trust of thousands of students worldwide. For free demo class, visit h2kinfosys.com.
How are we going to edit? Click on the page layout. These are the fields. Whatever we have created till now, these are all the fields here. Auto number. If you click here, it will highlight the one. Number 2, highlight this one. You can highlight this. Highlight this. Highlight. So now I said custom object. I will remove this. Okay, remove means just drag and drop. If you want to add like this. If you remove, drag and drop. And also we can control the sequence how to display. I'm saying custom tab was the first one and second, third, fourth, like this. So I may keep this here. See, auto number here. And this custom object I have removed. Click on save. Refresh. It will take some time. Remove custom object. This one, I'm saying this one should be removed. Log out and log in.
I have a question.
Yeah.
Is this log out and log in a common practice with Salesforce, or is this just for this
No.
version?
For first demos only, recently I have observed this one. It's not a common practice. In production or sandbox, you won't see like this.
Okay.
Yeah. See, now if you observe, it got changed. Layout got changed. Earlier we have all the fields downwards. Now side by side. And the custom object, right? I have removed one field, this one custom object. It's not there. I have not used in the layout. Yeah, it's not there here. This is the basics of, I will explain again this page layout just to give overview. So whatever fields we have created, it will be there. If we want the field not to be displayed on the layout, we can remove it. Okay. But if the field is mandatory at a field level, while creating, we made it as mandatory. Then those fields we can't remove because it's mandatory. So like this, okay, let me show you one example. Tab 1. I'm saying remove. So it's showing error. This field must be displayed on the page layout and cannot be removed. Okay. Why? Because it's a mandatory at field level. While creating the field, we made it as a mandatory field. So it's saying for you to save the record, you should have this field. So you can't remove this one. Okay, like this. But if we have one more option at page layout also, we can make a particular field mandatory at page layout level also. How? Go here, settings, required, or read only. We can make it required or just read only field. So that's how we can do it page layout level also. So tomorrow in interviews also we may get questions like this. How many ways you can make a field required? Okay. So different ways, like one, while creating the field, we'll make it as required. Another, at page layout level, we can make it as required. And how? We'll go to the respective field, click on settings, required. It went to red. See, remove like this. So one is that while creation of the field, we can make it as required. On the page layout level, we can make it as required, or we can write a validation rule such that if we do not provide the value, it will throw error. something like is blank of the field. If it is blank, it is going to throw error. So these are the different ways we can make it a field as a required. And this is an interview question. You can take some example like this and you can explain them. Nothing but we created we created a field. It's not required at field level. We went to page layout just to understand. We have seen how to remove and add. And now here we have option settings required. We can make it required like this. Okay, any queries here regarding this required and page layout? Okay. So in this page layouts, whatever fields we have are there for this object will be displayed here. If we have used them in the layout, it will show like this. If we have not used them, it will show like this. So easily we can differentiate. Okay. Here we are having very simple less fields, so we are seeing like this. But in real time, we'll be having many fields, so we may need to scroll side and like that. So we can't even, for example, now if I want to see custom tab name, I can see because there are very few fields. But in real time, we'll be having many fields, so we'll just click on it. It will highlight that field like this. Okay, like this we can point to go to that field. And another thing is related list. So notes and attachments, we all know while creating the object, we have a checkbox where we can add notes and attachments in the related list. And whatever related other things like files, content, notes, we can add those also from here and add. That's drag and drop. Approval, if there is approval process, approval history, you want to know what happened, you can click here. And even we can control the sequence of this related list like this. Just drag and drop. So files is showing first. No, I want notes first. I'll keep notes here. Files is second, like this. One sec. Okay, refresh and send. Related list. Adding notes, files, approval history, save. So we have done some changes. It's going to affect. That's what it is saying. Do you want these changes to overwrite users' personal related list customization? Yes. So it's a custom tab. This one. Take some time. Okay, let it take some time. Observe the navigation also, the way how it shows how much experience you are having on the Salesforce ecosystem. Salesforce, how frequently you are using Salesforce, it shows. Say files, approval history, notes and attachments, all those added. File, I can upload a file here. File got uploaded like this. It's just now we have created, so preview is getting ready. Take time like this. So we can create object. We know how to create object. We know how to create a field and how to align the field. We know it's from through page layout. We did, and how to add a related list. Also, we know how to add related list. Add files. How to add files from here like this. Any queries here? Page layout is I have just shown you the basics of page layout. What is page layout? How to add field, remove field, how to add a related list, and how to add a file to a related list. Those things. And still we'll discuss on this one. There are many other things like buttons, quick actions. All these things are there. So we'll be discussing these also. Layout properties. What is this layout property and all? And preview as, right? So preview as means, so whatever profile you're having, how it looks for the user in that profile. That one we can preview. Rather than logging into that user and all, we can preview that one also. How it looks for the profile having, for the user having the particular profile. And difference between save and quick save. Quick save means we will be in this page only. We'll do changes. So for example, I have here, I'm added, scroll down. I've added this field. I'm saying quick save. It will save. It won't go back there. If I click this save, it will go back. Okay, that is the difference. Click save as, it's going to create another page layout. So copy of custom. You can give name and just saying copy for now. Save. So it created another page layout. Now here we can control whatever is needed for this page layout. Now you may ask a question, why we need 2 page layouts or more than 1 page layout. I will explain. You go to Object Manager, Custom tab. Page layouts. See a page layout assignment. Okay. What's going to happen? Whatever page layouts we are creating, we can assign that page layout to particular profile. Now edit assignment. I am saying, okay, system admin will have 1 page layout and the other profiles will have some other page layout. Okay, system administrator, I'm taking this. So this custom tab layout, I am changing this to another layout, copy of custom, save. This will be as a copy of custom tab layout. That means system admin page layout is different, whereas other profiles they are having other page layout. Okay, I will explain again this page layouts, what is this one, how to edit, how to manage this page layout, how to assign this page layouts. We'll create another thing called record types, this one. So once we create record types which are aligned with the page layouts, we will get to know. Okay, so just to overview, this is just go through once. Again we'll discuss page layouts and page layouts assignment and page layouts along with record types. Okay, now the work for you is work on this fields creation and lookup. Explore that one. I will explain again tomorrow. Lookup and master detail also. Lookup master detail, and then we'll go with the page layouts and then record types. Any queries? Okay, I think we are good. Just go through the recordings, and one more time, we have a YouTube channel. This is the link. Control C. I'm posting here again. It's already there. Okay, subscribe to this, and yeah, the recordings will be available here. Whatever we have discussed till now, you can all see the recordings.